Hello guys, I welcome you to today's training video. It's another beautiful morning, and of course we will continue from where we stopped yesterday. Yesterday we started a training session on how to use the price actions and candle formation to trade. Okay, that was what we started on, and we will continue from there today. So if you missed that of yesterday, that's the introductory aspect, which is the part one of the training, and it is very important you watch it so you can go back to the channel and check out the what was it called, the thumbnail on purple color. Then watch the video on the video and make sure you understand everything about the video, and we will continue from there today because I'm going to break down everything for us, and after that we go to the chart to check out some of the samples on the chart, and of course to see how we can take advantage of the market using this particular opportunity. Okay, if you have been looking for a way to know your TA very well, I mean to understand every aspect of the TA, then this is another opportunity for you to learn this. Okay, the price actions, candle formations, they are the major part of the TA, because that alone can help you know the direction of the market, when to go into the market, when there will be a breakout, if there will be a reversal or a pullback on the chart. Okay, so this will help you to know all this so that you will be able to know if you should go into the market or not. Okay, but before we go fully into that, before we continue from there in today's video, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, make sure you do your personal practice, that is practice and perfect your skill on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very important, guys, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you will always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we are for today. Okay, like I said, it is a training session on price actions and candle formation. Okay, the price action is what leads to is that aspect of the market that leads into candle formation. So when you are looking for candle formation, then you are also trying to check out the price action or to know how it works. Okay, so that is it. So quickly, these are some of the things that we will be looking at in this video, and definitely I want to quickly share something with you. I want to quickly on the chart. So let me show you this on the chart so that we will get to understand how it really worked on the chart. Okay, before we go into the sheet, the prepared sheet for this program. Okay, like I used to tell you, if there is, okay, for instance, check out this. The price action has been going down and down and down. Okay, like I used to tell you, when you get to a support zone, okay, how do you know if it is going? Two things can actually happen. It is either it's bounce back, that is maybe a pullback or a total reversal in price action, or there is a breakout that goes below the support zone. The same thing is applicable to resistance level. If a if the price action is moving up and it get to the resistance level, how do we know if it will break out from the resistance level, that is break out above it, or if it's going to bounce back? Okay, these are what we need to know. Okay, that is why some people will tell you that it gives us a fake breakout or a fake reversal in price action and things like that. Okay, it's because they don't know the price. I mean, they don't know their TA very well. They are not good with their TA. You need to be very good with your TA. So with your TA, you will be able to say if it's going to break out from this resistance level, or if it's going to pull back the way it has pulled back. The same thing is applicable to this support region, if it's going to break out below it, or if it's going to pull back the way it has just done. Okay, so all these are very, very important, and things that can help you to notice these are the what's it called, the candle formation. Okay, when you see the pattern of the candles around that point, then you will be able to say if there will be a breakout or the price action will bounce back. So that will help you to know if you should continue selling, or if you should um put in for, if you should close your sell trade and put in for a buy trade immediately. The candle formation will help you to know this easily. Okay, so let's go straight to our prepared sheet so that we will be able to continue from where we stopped yesterday. Okay, yesterday I spoke to us about two types of candle formation for a sell signal. Okay, we discussed about the shooting star, the bearish shooting star, and also the bearish evening star. Okay, these are the two types of candle formation we discussed about. Okay, and we'll be discussing about the rest today for the bearish market, which is the downtrend market. Okay, so yeah, I mean, the next one we should be looking at is bearish engulfing candle. Okay, bearish engulfing candle. Okay, and this is how it usually looks like. Okay, when you are having a buy, when you are in a buy trend. Okay, the bullish candles are being formed, then right at this, it usually happen around the resistance level. For the bearish engulfing candle, it usually happen around the resistance level. If you are not seeing these signals around the resistance level, it might not follow what we are trying to explain. Okay, but you need to see all of these, everything right here around the resistance level before you can follow everything we are explaining on this chart. Okay, so this is it. So all of a sudden you have a candle pattern, a bullish candle pattern like this. Then you have a bearish candle pattern with the body starting from this part of the bullish candle, and also pulling downward below the bullish candle. You can see the way it works. Then definitely on the next candle you should start selling, because it is going back on downtrend at that particular point. Okay, either it's going to go for long or for short, it will still go back on, it's still going to sell at that particular point. So you should start selling on the next candle formation. Okay, not on this, because you need this to be fully formed before you can say that this pattern has been formed. Okay, once the pattern has been formed, then definitely you should know that the next candle you should start selling from there. Okay, so that is how it works. So let me quickly read what I have here out. Okay, engulfing, bearish engulfing candle. Okay, when you see this after the engulfing bearish candle appears, which is this, you can see it came out, it is longer than the bullish candle. Okay, they started almost at the same place, the body started almost at the same place, but shoots out longer than the last bullish candle. So which means it is a bearish engulfing candle. It means that it is the beginning of a sell trend. Okay, so that is it. Okay, after engulfing bearish candle appears in the direction of the trend, sell at the opening of the next candle with a protective stop loss. Okay, with a protective stop loss, that is always very important. It is always important you use the stop loss, because when you are doing analysis like this, okay, um it's a technical analysis. Sometimes there can be a sudden reaction in the world that can push the market the other way around, even though the trend should be selling. But if it pushes the other way around, it can reverse almost immediately. Okay, it might not go for that long. Okay, but this is the way you should see the pattern. Once you see this pattern like this on the resistance level, then definitely you should start selling at that point. Okay, you should start selling at that point. So that is it. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Here we have bearish dark cloud cover. Okay, bearish dark cloud cover. And how do we have this? Okay, you can see the opening price of the bullish candle is here, while the close price, close of the bearish candle must be beyond a 60% shoot on of the bullish candle. Okay, a 60% shoot on of the bullish candle. That is, this is the close of the candle, this is the opening of the bullish candle. Okay, so when it turns around, then definitely it must be around the 60% u-turn. Then the opening of the next candle should be when you should start selling. So when you have a pattern in this form, this is very, very common. Okay, when you have your bullish candle like this and your bearish candle almost of the same side, okay, and ending like this, then you should know that the next opening candle should be an opportunity for you to sell. Okay, the opening of the next candle should be an opportunity for you to sell. So that is when you should start selling on this particular candle. So I'm going to read out what I have here. When you see this sell in the direction of the trend at the opening of the next candle, or when it meets the criteria of the bearish dark cloud cover. Okay, this is very common. Something like this is very common. This is also very common. Something like this is also very common. You can see that this pattern is a bit different from this pattern, but they look very similar. They look very much alike, but they are not the same. Okay, they are not the same. Okay, but they perform the same function. Okay, that is the way it works. And in most cases, we always have something like this too. So once you see something like this, where you have bullish candle, then you have a small bullish candle here with the body at the middle part of the wick like this. Okay, then definitely you now have a bearish candle coming up after that. Then you should know that the next candle should be a bearish, it should be an opportunity for you to sell. Okay, so that is it. So I've explained this for, let's explain the last one so that we finish up with the bearish candle pattern. Okay, so that we finish up with the bearish candle pattern. We are still here. Let's finish up with the bearish candle pattern. Okay, so right here is the bearish tweezer top. Okay, bearish tweezer top, you can see that. Okay, so this is how it works, guys. This is how it works. When you have something like this, then you should know that, okay, you have this showing up a bullish candle right here with a very long wick and short one below, then a bearish candle right here with a very long wick and short one below. Both of them are having small bodies. Then definitely the next candle should be an opportunity for you to sell. When you see that, okay, the next candle should be an opportunity for you to sell. So guys, these are the candle patterns for the bearish for a bearish market. Okay, for a bearish market. So when you see any of these patterns, then you can take advantage of the market and start trading immediately and start selling immediately. And remember, like I have said earlier on, all these patterns must appear at the resistance level. Once you see them at the resistance level, it shows that there won't be a breakout above that resistance level. There will be a pullback or a reversal in price action, except if there is a sudden reaction in the world that is affecting the market. That is when it can pull it out the other way around. That is when it can negate whatever we have explained in this video. So I want you to go back to your chart, try to identify any of these patterns and see what you can do with it. Okay, try to identify them. If you are able to identify them, check it out if it follows everything that I have explained to you. And if you are trying to identify them, let it be at the resistance region, not at the support region, or not at the middle of the charts. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Once you are able to identify all these, then it will help you to be able to make a better decision whenever you are trading. So guys, I will be stopping right there. I hope you guys are following up with this training session, and I hope you are enjoying it. Don't worry, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now and turn on the notification bell to all notifications so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, we'll be having another opportunity to analyze the market together later in the day during the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. So do not forget to join us again tonight so that we can do that together and milk the market together. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.